Hello there, I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, as per the title, we are going to do a Nichi try-on haul. If you guys don't mind, let's get straight to the video. Before we start, I would be very happy if you guys can subscribe to my channel. Why not? It's free. Duh, guys, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. Also need the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when I upload the video. I upload a lot of makeup reviews, tutorials and outfits, and so if you guys love all this, I hope you can subscribe and give me the support. Also, I will put my Instagram handle over here so that you guys can follow me over there. I do daily posts. I post a lot of outfit contents, reels, makeup tutorials, things like that, some random stuff about my son, things like that. So if you guys are not already following over there, I'll put my handle over here so that you can follow me there. Speaking of Instagram, I'm also going to revamp my TikTok, and I'll put the handle over here so that you guys can follow me over there. This sounds very repetitive. So the first item is this beautiful maxi skirt. It's indeed maxi because I was wearing this high heels on the try-on clips, which I will be inserting, and still cannot see anything, like it's very long. So if you are a tall person, you would definitely love this. This is like very like a satin kind of a material, and there's no zip whatsoever. Yeah, before I really go into this, Nichi is a brand that is more like a workwear, like a workwear kind of thing, very feminine, very like sweet girly type of clothes there. Often I don't shop there because as I told you, it's like more like workwear, and I don't need a lot of workwear in my life. But when I saw them, saw their latest collection, and I found that a lot of like very girly and casual kind of outfit and clothes was available. So I started to wishlist them, and then boom, there's one day like 50% sale. It's not like certain product where maybe the product is already very old or there's no sizes available. No, it was the whole site. It was 50% dropped, and obviously I want to take that chance because I wouldn't say they are very affordable, but they are not very expensive either. But they fall somewhere in between. But with the 50% discount, you know, like I want to get the wishlist item that I wanted. So this item was in my wishlist for so long because I can't find a purpose to wear it, solely because I'm not a very outgoing person, and on top of it the pandemic hit. So I was just putting it in wishlist, like whenever I need it, you know, I'll buy it. But when I saw the 50%, I was like, no girl, I have to go and get it. So this one was yeah, in satin. It's long. Like if you're a tall person, you are going to enjoy this. But if you're short like me, I'm like, for your reference, I'm 160 cm. Yeah, short. And also I have very small upper part, and then I have a little bit bigger bum, thighs, and you know, I'm thick at the half bottom. So that is for your reference. And this one was in size M. Actually everything that I've ordered through this haul, everything I got in size M, and I will link down in the description box below if you guys are interested in any of the item that I'm showing you today. And this one was actually, the price was actually $99.90, so it was like 45-46, which is affordable. I mean, which is very good for a skirt that is this high quality, and there is no zip or any kind like that. So but it's very flexible, so if you are feel like no sham, I only prefer anything that will zip, then this won't work for you. But for me, when I tried it, it worked perfectly fine. It didn't like loosen or whatsoever. So this is a total win. I got 3 dresses and 4 skirts. That's all I got. I didn't get any like jeans or anything else than that, because if you guys know me, I love my skirts and my dresses. However, I'm going to only show 2 dresses today because there is another dedicated video that I want to show the other dress. Because skirt, if I repetitively showing in other videos, I would wear it with another top, so you can see some difference and some ideas. But dress is dress. Like you see it once and then you will see multiple times, so like she's repeating the same thing. So I don't want to show you yet that one dress. Another skirt. This is the second item. So this is in like a very like neutral beigey tone, which 2021 is a year that I've discovered beige, purely because I'm watching a lot of influencers that love beige, I guess. So I've went into the thing, but I'm a colorful person. This is just experimenting. So I bought this skirt. This is like a midi length skirt and it's like a little bit voluminous. So yeah, I love that. Sometimes I don't want to be every time fitted. And they have like a fitted part on the what would I say, at the hip part, which is very flattering, and this color goes so well to my skin tone. I just love this, and it's really well made. And yeah, so as I told you guys, it's in size M, and this was in size the price was 79.90. Of course, after discounted it's less 50%. And again, even for 80 ringgit, this is very good. Skirt that we are going to talk about is this skirt. This is a white skirt. It has like a very creepy type of material, but the part that I love the most is it's geometric. It has a geometric slit, and within the slit there's a pleated part. I love anything that is pleated. So when I saw there's a twist for the pleated type of skirt, I really want to have it. But let me tell you guys, this is one of the items in this haul that I'm very disappointed, because it's see-through. It's like you can see the sole, you can see my soul when I wear this skirt. I just love everything about it. It's midi length, it fits me like a glove, it has zip, the material is so good quality. Why would they do something that has that is not lined? Why? Especially when it's white color. You literally can see everything. So since I love this so much, apart from that one huge part, I would suggest that if you were to get this, you need to wear this with a cropped top. Like, you don't do any tuck in, because if you tuck in, the moment you tuck in, everything can be seen. So if you wear something dark or black underneath shorts or whatsoever, it's not very much see-through. But the moment you put anything else, even I was wearing a camisole, and it was the thinnest material, and even that can be seen through. So that was very disappointing for me. So if I were to wear this, I mean, obviously I want to wear this, so I will wear this with a crop top where I don't have to, you know, like tuck it. So I don't understand why they went and did that, because it feels so heavy, and I was like, why there's no line? So this was like 79.90. The previous skirt that I show you guys has a good material and properly lined, was 79.90, and this one without line, 79.90. So the last skirt from this haul is this black. I mean, when I saw in the catalog, I thought it's going to be like a satin type of material, but it's not. It's like a chiffon type of material, and it's not like the maxi skirt just now I told you guys. This is like somewhere in between maxi and also midi. It was like hanging in between. But I would honestly tell you guys, I loved it. Like, some people, they don't like this. They like, either give me maxi, midi or short, don't give me anything in between. But when I wore this, I liked the length. I don't know why, I liked the length. It made me feel like I want to dance. I don't know whether it makes sense or not, but it did. So the maxi skirt that I show you guys, the first skirt that I show you guys, it has like a very like a flat kind of cutting. It's like very flat, straight. But this one has like a space. Not to say space. It's like it's voluminous. It has some volume to it. So it's like a little bit poofy, but the most flattering poofy, because it made me look smaller. It made me look like I have very tiny waist, which is not the case. So I was very happy to have this. Unexpected that I would love that, but maybe another reason is it's black, so I love anything that is black. So this was a total win. Are following me already on my Instagram, you would have already noticed this beautiful dress. This was a dress that I wore for my birthday, and yeah, this was my birthday dress. I simply love this dress. Even without me trying it on, I decided that that is going to be my birthday dress. I'm going to wear that on my birthday. Not even trying it, because I have nothing like this in my collection. It has a spaghetti stripe at one side, and then the other side is like this ruffled detail, which is so nice with this floral, and the length, it's a midi length dress as well. I love midi length, guys, if you are new here. And it also has pocket, which I don't think so it's necessary, but they do have pocket. If you love pocket, it's a bonus for you. The only thing is, because of the existence of the pocket, to zip it, it's a workout. It's a serious workout to zip it, because the pocket is keep on like coming in between on the way of me to zip it. So it is definitely a workout. I literally sweat prior to actually wear this dress because of that. Another thing is, this dress is not lined as well. Why it's not lined? Because you can get away, like you wear something black inside your undergarment and your tights, anything, you can still get away, because I didn't observe anything that is like very see-through once I wear something black. But why there's no line? Guys, Nichi, don't do this to us. I mean, like, I would really happy if it lined. I can't remember the price, but definitely I will link down for you guys. And if you are not very satisfied with the price, the original price, just wishlist them. I bought this from Zalora. Just wishlist them, and then like and hawk, keep an eye on it, daily check on it. If you really love it, I'm sure you will get the best price possible. And Zalora always have a lot of discount, like always have a lot of discount. So I'm sure you can get, if you are not preferred the original price, you can definitely get in a affordable price if you buy during the sale. So this dress is completely in my heart. I will wear this over and over again. And then the last dress, which is the last item in this haul, is this beautiful layered ruffled, like a peachy with a white base and a peachy, not to say it's not a dot, it's like a expanded dot, something like that, if you know what I mean. So this was a gamble, because I don't buy anything that is layered, because I feel like anything that is layered is going to make me look bigger than I already am. And anything that is peplum is also, I'm afraid to buy this kind of things. But it was so pretty, I like, Sham, never mind, it's okay, just try and see. If it's not right, just return it. Okay, so then I wore this, and then I was like, I completely was wrong. I was wrong. Layered doesn't make me look bigger. In fact, it made me even smaller. But in the try-on, you would see a little bit weird from the way how I wore it, because it has a button in a place that I'm not humanly able to reach. It has a button at the back here, a very small tiny button, so it will give a very like a cape kind of effect to the dress. But unfortunately, I can't wear this alone, and as imagined, my husband was not there at the time when I most needed him, so I couldn't button it. But I was very sure that once I button it, it's going to look very perfect, and I really loved it. It does come with its own like a belt, which is the same material with the dress. And by the way, the material is a bit like chiffon. But if you want to switch it to another belt, maybe like a gold or white, I think it will work perfect. And it's properly lined, and the price think this is the most expensive one that I bought from this haul. It's 134.90 and obviously I got it half, 50% off. And the length is like, it's also not to say midi and also not maxi, it's also somewhere in between. But this dress completely stole my heart. I think if I was a little bit confident, because you know I was afraid about layering, so if I was a little bit confident, I think I would have wore this for my birthday compared to that dress. But we just wait for the right timing to wear this dress. Completely love this, and I don't know why I feel like peach is really flattering for my skin tone. I don't know why. I just discovered this last year and I'm very happy about it. So guys, with that is the end of the video. I hope you really love this video, and if you have never tried Nichi's clothing, it's the right time for you to try. I'll link down below all the items that I've mentioned in this video, and I really hope you guys love this, support me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.